Hello and welcome to.
Why are the curtains blue?
Today seems like it is going to be slightly unhinged because we have a very unhinged guest among us.
We're also a little scared of her right now.
We are, and I feel like we should just let her introduce herself because we don't
Know what to say. Just say whatever you want to say.
Alia Kashyap! Woo!
As you can tell, I don't look happy right now. And that is simply because this podcast is a creation of an affair that Bila and Karima had. It started by them hanging out alone together and not telling me and Sakshi, and we would see their location together at all times. And I would literally call and be like, "What are you guys doing alone?" They were literally having an affair. And then we found out that they were doing a podcast together after the original plan was to have a podcast with the three of us called Dumb Dumber Dumb.
We'll put up there.
Yeah.
The name was not the wisest thing we've come up with.
Yeah, it was.
It was a
afterthought.
temporary name until we came
After
up with
we
a
went
better
for
name.
a podcast launch, and I'm
Which
not
was-
going to tell you the name of
it
that
was
podcast.
Yeah, we weren't very original or creative with that.
We thought we were.
We were like, "Oh, this is so different, guys. This is so different and quirky."
It was not, but it's not about the name. It was about the idea that the three of us were going to start a venture together.
Now we are doing it. We're
We
here.
are
No.
so hyped
We
and
have
excited for this.
The best guest with us.
Woo! Just like the best movie ever that we are discussing today, which is Alia's favorite film because we love Alia so
Yeah.
much. And that is
Chakde.
Oh, Chak De India. Chak De. Oh, Chak De India.
We Are So Late.
We're wearing jerseys also, by the way.
Yeah, which also again I was left out in.
Listen,
Karima has messaged me yesterday saying, "Bring your jersey." I responded saying, "What jersey?" And she was like, "The Life and Jam jersey." And I was like, "I don't have the Life and Jam jersey." I show up here, the two of them are wearing Life and Jam jerseys, and here I am in a hoodie. And yet again, I have been left out.
You're wearing an uncool hoodie.
yeah.
Yeah,
Like the
because
uncool
I'm
girl you are.
I'm clearly an outcast
Okay.
with the way you two
We separately.
On that note, on that last movie,
Let's bring it back to Chakti India.
I will let go of my beef for this episode.
Okay. Why is this your favorite film?
yeah.
Okay, so when the film first came out, I watched it 11 times. I counted it. Like within like 3 years or 4 years of it coming out, I watched it 11 times to the point where every time I was on a flight, I would watch Chak De India. And to the point where my dad got genuinely worried about me. Like he would like when I was younger, I would mostly travel with my dad. And so we would be in a
As
flight
one
together.
does, yes.
We would be in a flight together and he would turn around and I was yet again watching Chak De India and he used to be like, "Have you lost your mind?"
What about like Peppa Pig or something?
No, Chak De India. Yes.
A lot of kids do like Chak De India or sports movies in general,
Yeah.
and especially patriotic films. I feel like we have a very positive idea of a lot of things in life that we enjoy, team spirit and all that.
The thing is, I'm not the biggest sports movie person because I'm not a sports person. So for me, if like I don't like watching sports except for like one cricket match a year with Ida, I'll watch. You know, like that's the extent of my sport watching ability.
Then why do you like the film?
I don't know. I just love it. I think I watched it again last night in preparation for this episode because I hadn't watched it in like 10 years. And I think the biggest thing that I took away why I loved it is how feminist this movie was, especially for that time. And it wasn't
2007 is not a feminist year for
Yeah.
Bollywood or anything.
and not only that, they like the way they did feminism and patriotism
Yeah.
together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is not an easy thing to do because like
It's not a usual combination
exactly,
either.
but
Yeah.
they did it so seamlessly where you feel both feelings. You feel
Yeah.
like you love your country when you watch that movie, but then you also feel like yes, the country has problems, especially towards women, which they still show it.
Yeah.
You know, like they show the reality of it.
So they have feminism with patriotism, and they also have the religious divide, and why sometimes if there's a Muslim player and he does something, and in the film, Shah Rukh Khan just shakes the hand of the Pakistani player, and he's just cancelled.
Yeah.
And the fact that they didn't shy away from showing that is okay, that's sportsmanship,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
team spirit, that's a part of sports, and just having feminism and anti-racist sentiment, and then also saying that this is the most patriotic film.
Yeah.
I think all of these things were put to the forefront.
And it's not everyone can do that. Like the way it's done, and I feel like it hasn't been done since
No,
then as
when?
well.
And I don't think that movie could be made like that today.
No.
I don't think it would get approvals or I don't know.
Censor board.
Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
think people would also take to it that well.
Yeah.
The way that they
Yeah.
accepted the
Yeah.
idea of communalism.
Which is
Very
crazy
sad.
because you feel like, oh, it should be much easier now. Like, over 15 years into the future, it should be much easier to make a film like that, but it's gotten harder. I feel.
Yeah.
So let's get into it. Tell me like your favorite scene in the film, and we can all go one by one.
70 minute is a big one.
Yeah.
Like, can you do it? You were doing it so
Yeah.
well.
70 मिनट 70 मिनट है तुम्हारे पास शायद तुम्हारी जिंदगी की सबसे खास 70 मिनट I love that scene. And then I also, oh my god, the scene where they're at McDonald's and they beat
Yes.
up all the men.
Oh, that was.
I think that was the
satisfying.
first scene in the film where I'm just like, this film
It
is
feels
gonna
like
be
exactly, and it almost felt like yesterday when I was watching this, it almost felt like a release.
Yeah.
It felt
Yes.
like
yeah,
it feels like
fuck
therapy.
you guys, I can also do it. If you're
Exactly.
gonna misbehave with me and my like girlfriends can come and fuck you up.
Yeah, exactly.
It's just
and I love that.
And what?
Literally.
2007, we were 6 years old. You
Yeah.
were a little older. But we were young girls and we'd not seen that on screen.
Yeah.
Like girls
Yeah.
taking power.
The
into
power
their
back.
Or
Yeah,
like
like
violent also. They
Yeah.
were violent.
and
in that
standing
scene.
up for themselves.
And that bonded them. Which
Yeah.
is true. Like I know
It truly
people
does.
say women bond over disliking a person, but if the person is a man who's chedoing your entire team, then sure we fucking bond over being
Yeah.
oppressed. What
Yeah.
what
Yeah.
about it?
Literally.
I feel like none of us have ever spoken the serious to it.
Yeah, so it feels very odd
this
actually.
long. The McDonald's scene was the first time that they were a team also.
Yeah.
Before that, like all the
And
scenes.
Kabir is like stopping the two of them from getting up. He's like, no, let them.
Let
lead.
them-
This is what he's been like pushing
Yes.
for.
Yeah, but he's always there. He's like,
Yeah.
he's seeing if someone's coming from the back, he'll go and
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
I really liked him in that scene.
Yeah. His
Yeah.
character overall, also because his character was such a feminist character
Yes.
without being in your face feminist.
Exactly.
Like I'm a feminist, we're all feminists, but what I can't stand is the kind of feminists that are just like, when they're just so in your face about it and like so like where it almost makes it difficult. The same as like watching certain series or some that are too woke. You know what I mean?
Because
Like,
then it's forced and it doesn't
exactly.
feel real.
That's what I meant. Like
And
forced feminist.
I also
it was
like
so
a
like
tote bag carrying man
Exactly,
talking about
exactly.
Dostoevsky or like
But I
Virginia
also
Woolf.
feel sometimes when you're trying to be feminist and you go to the other side of it where it's like, oh, because I'm a girl, I will not do all of this. But then that's also like society telling you not to do
yeah,
something.
exactly.
So then it's not feminism. Feminism is literally your whatever your choice is.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
it was a very balanced view.
Yeah, and it
of
wasn't like
feminism.
it was like I'm a feminist guy. Like it was just he was it, and he
Yeah.
didn't need to prove it. You
Yeah.
know, like you could see it with the way he was, with the way he treated the women, the way he had so much faith in them. Especially the scene where they're not sending the women's team to the World
Yes.
Cup.
Yeah.
And so he's like, they'll play a match,
Yeah,
and like, yeah, they lost the match, sure, but they didn't lose like badly, first of all, because they were still a very strong team of players, but they also had like, they had like the respect,
Yes.
like
They
they earned
earned
the
respect.
respect. Exactly.
Which in sports in general, women don't have. Women are
Exactly.
always the last ones being picked. Like, okay, we might not. Women in like classes and team
Yeah.
sports, like if in school when there were team sports and everything,
Yeah.
the boys would get picked first,
Yeah.
then the women,
Yeah.
then the girls would be
Yeah.
picked, which is very demoralizing.
It
and
is.
then women don't want to go ahead and play sports.
Yeah,
because-
it makes you not interested in playing it then. Like I
Exactly.
remember in PE, if we had like certain sports that I was even decent at, like a sport I was pretty good at, like they would still pick like the worst boy
Before the best
any girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How? Why? And it really like in certain sports, it's not just how fast you run.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, a boy can run faster, but there are other things that you do in a sport.
Yeah. Yeah.
So watching women on screen play a sport and do really well at it inspires
Exactly.
us girls to do that
Yeah.
sport also.
My
Yeah.
hot take is that when people say that men are generally physically stronger and stuff, बचपन से उनको तुम बाहर जाके खेलने दे रहे हो, वो रात में 4 घंटे फुटबॉल खेलते हैं, they are exercising their calves, they are constantly physically doing things at school, they are picking up the chairs and tables. I went to a girls' school, so we were the ones who would
Yeah,
tilt the
yeah.
teacher's chair. But when I went to a co-ed school is when I played surprisingly basketball for a long time of my life, and when I went to a co-ed school is when I stopped playing because
Yeah.
it was not a serious thing for the girls. There was a girls football team, but literally the kind of attention that they would give even in school, which was a very good
Exactly.
school, like they
Yeah.
had the resources to give it equal attention, they just didn't give a
Yeah.
shit. Like we were practicing in
Because they just
classroom.
have this preconceived notion of like, oh, how far will they go? You know, like
and it's just not interesting enough for us
exactly
to watch. It's
exactly.
not good enough for them to be playing it.
Because eventually, to ghar pe they have to become a wife and cook rotis.
Or there are certain jobs that they will do.
Yeah,
Sports
but
is
they
not
can
like
still
what is the future?
roti
Yeah.
better if they are physically fit. I don't understand. But I quickly want to move on to the Australia final, to be honest, because I think that was the scene where everyone's patriotic feelings were really
Yeah.
peaking. It almost felt like you were watching a real match.
Yeah,
And
it did.
this movie felt like a 2-hour match
Yeah.
that you were watching, at the end of which they do win.
Yeah.
Even though they don't actually. I mean, no, they
no,
do
they
win.
do.
They do win. That match they
Yeah,
win.
Yeah.
But the Australia match and the penalty shot that they're
Yeah.
taking,
Yeah.
and then how Komal and
Preeti finally.
they pass the
Finally
ball.
pass it at the end, and
Yeah.
in the penalty part, there's also like Kabir is looking at Vidya, who is the
Yeah, the
hottie,
goalkeeper.
and he's like telling her, he's guiding
he's
her,
like,
and you can see in his eyes. Also, this is the end of the film. We know Kabir by
Yeah.
now. He's a very reserved man, but we've started to see aspects
Yeah.
in him, and he never says it, but we know through his eyes
Yeah.
how much this means to him.
Yeah.
And he's just there, and he's just constantly supporting Vidya, and he
Yeah.
tells her to stay in the middle. He
Stops
stops the
it, yeah.
penalty,
Yeah.
and it's just
Yeah.
so
Everyone
much joy.
cheered. Like it really felt like you were cheering for Team India, which we don't get to do for women's hockey.
Like, I am not big into sports movies or, like I said, patriotic, like those really overly patriotic sports movies. But this is like, this movie has always been one of my favorites because it's just, it has so much feeling, you know, like it does a really good job at bringing that feeling into you and making you feel like, also because I think the way they did even the training scenes before they go to
Yes.
the World Cup, like it's so sports centric. It's not like overly dramatic. It's not overly like melodramatic. or
Yeah,
anything.
that's true.
It's so focused on like the actual sport and like the real experiences of these women coming from so many different
Yeah.
backgrounds. You know, I think it does such a good
And
job.
going
at that.
from announcing themselves as these different backgrounds to then
Exactly.
eventually saying Team India, very
Yeah.
naturally it came
Yeah.
to them.
Yeah.
And there was not
Well, not naturally because they were trained into forming that cohesive identity.
but like it came naturally to the story.
Yeah.
Where you know they are saying that they're from these different states, but the point of the film is that you're one country. It's
Yeah.
India.
Yeah.
And when you're playing a team sport, you're one team.
Exactly.
cannot
It doesn't
think of
matter
yourself
where you come
individually.
from, what your religion is, what language you speak.
Yeah.
Like none of that matters.
Which is such a unifying thought for
Yeah.
India because that is what India is.
Literally.
So yeah, that was really.
I'm like getting goosebumps.
I'm getting goosebumps. I'm getting
Oh
goosebumps.
God.
And even the way in which they show team spirit or they show that they're getting better or something
Yeah.
nice is happening,
Yeah.
it's very sweet.
Yeah.
There's this song Badal Pe
Yeah.
Pao Hai, and they're all like running and they're training.
Together.
Also, Kabir is not a creepy person in a power dynamic.
Exactly.
Vidya only, right? She tries to kiss him.
No, Bindya.
She tries to kiss him, and he's like, mm.
Yeah,
And she's
that scene where she like takes her jacket
yeah,
zipper and he just
man.
puts it up. He doesn't even look down.
So
He
hot.
looks straight at her and he.
I'm just saying it's not hot because she was trying to make it hot and
Do you need therapy?
who was your favorite?
तू चुप रह कांच के घर में बैठ के
क्या बोल रही है? What do you mean कांच के घर पर?
मेरा
Glass houses. First learn what it actually is.
हिंदी में तो मैंने बोला सही Is it not? I don't know.
I don't
at all.
think it's
I don't
same.
think. Oh.
आज के
आज के घरों में रहने वाले.
I don't think. I think it's just glass houses in English.
Okay.
You just translate it.
Saying not the third host. Replace.
Now, who would have been better as a host?
No, I'm
Look, who has
also.
that composure?
Nah, I just feel out of it now. Maybe you guys should be the host.
No, if Karima and I
No,
were
no,
the
no.
host,
We
we
would-
would
it would
never
not happen.
complete an episode only. Our brains, our ADHD, we
Yeah,
would
yeah.
just like not remember what we want to talk about and we would just zone out.
Remember the color of the hockey stick? Oh, I have a dress similar to that.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is your favorite? Who is your favorite girl from the team?
Oh, damn.
I have two.
Hmm.
One is Alia, just because her name is
Yeah, I
Alia.
knew it. And her hair was
And her hair was
colored.
cool and like
Ah.
she just had a cool vibe. So like
I knew it. I think I
naturally-
was very jealous when the film came out and one of the players was called Alia. I was like,
because no one's ever named Ida.
yeah, why can't you be named Ida?
Nobody is named Ida.
You are the only Ida I've ever met in my life.
Have you met another Karima?
No, I've never met a Kareem.
I've met another
More
Kareem.
common.
I've met
I've met
Kareem.
Kareem. I've met Karina.
Okay.
Yeah, so Alia was one because just biased. And the second one, I think Vidya.
Yeah, Vidya was like.
Because she was also very like she was there to do something. She was there to make something of herself, prove that like she's not just meant to be a housewife, you know, and like things like that. And she was also the only one who from the start believed in him.
Yes.
You know?
So that loyalty pays off because you
Exactly.
end up liking her.
She was the only one who said Team India, or
Yeah, she
she's
was also the
who
first
said
one who
India.
said
That's
Team
why she was
India.
the team leader.
yeah,
captain.
captain.
Who was your least favorite?
Balbir only.
Huh?
No, I liked Balbir.
Okay, you say?
Komal.
Komal.
right.
Komal was a bit
She
irritating.
was too like muffat for no reason.
Yeah.
You know, like
And
it was just a bit much for
oh, she had this vengeance against Preeti, but
For no
Preeti
reason,
just
exactly.
Preeti just wanted to prove it to her fiance
Yeah.
that she's
also as
adequate and she also as good. And
she deserves as much respect.
she was fighting her
and-
own battles. Komal is like, no.
That's what I'm saying. Komal's trying
Yeah.
to make her own battle out
Yeah.
of it's like a very one-sided battle. You know, Komal was first of all size difference.
Yeah. So what?
No, like she was so muffat and I think she was overcompensating for her size.
I'll just.
Is that
I'll
what you
jump
guys
off
do?
The balcony. I actually had a little crush on Komal, so I feel like she was my favorite for that reason.
Oh.
Yeah. Because I think she just had short hair, so I was like, Shah Rukh was too old for me to crush.
Yeah, and there's no other guy.
There was no other guy.
So
Yeah,
I had a crush on
the most
Alia.
masculine.
Alia.
Yeah.
I mean, she was the sexiest one. Of
Yeah, with the
For sure.
colored hair and the
Yeah.
nose ring.
Nose ring.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's true. She was kind of cute too.
Yeah, she was the
Yeah.
good looking one or like the sexy one.
And like I know Bindya was technically supposed to be like the villain in the beginning at least, but I felt like I could feel her.
Yeah.
You know, like she was stubborn for sure. She was definitely stubborn. She definitely had an
She's the
attitude.
senior-most player.
Exactly, and she felt like she wasn't getting the respect she deserved, which is fair enough. And I can understand why she was so like unhappy, you know.
And her character was very good, you know.
Yeah,
because
very
she comes
complex
up
character.
complex, and then she turns things around.
Yeah.
And that one match, actually, one of my favorite matches of the film is that one where I think it's against Argentina or some team like that, and Kabir has to ask Bindya that the senior most player has to take this one.
It's against South Korea.
Oh, it's
Oh,
sorry,
And it's because they
Sorry.
do man-to-man defense.
and no one knows how to.
And
break
no
it.
one knows how to
Right.
break man-to-man defense except
Right.
Bindya.
Yeah. So Bindya comes in and she does all this behind her back
Yeah,
and
like
everything.
those things.
And it was
Yeah.
so cool. And they won
And
it.
it's like her time to shine. You know, like,
Exactly.
she
Where she's been
finally
sitting-
gets, and she finally gets that like respect of being the most senior most
Yes,
player. You
yeah.
know,
Actually, the sports scenes were also very realistic
Yeah.
and very well done.
very well.
They were actually choreographed.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
there were sports people on set, including Mr. Rajan Negi, who is actually a former hockey player, who was also for 16 years he was not in the public eye because they were like, oh, actually you did kind of the same
Yeah.
thing that happened to Kabir, and some people say that it is based on his life. And then he came as a consultant, and there were other people also who were
Yeah.
sports people, which I'm sure other films also do.
Yeah.
But at some level, I feel they don't do it well enough for it to look
Yeah.
real.
Yeah.
And still, it was real, but the audience could understand.
Yeah.
We were
Yeah.
never lost. Sometimes
Yeah.
you get lost in a
Who
film
knows
like
what?
that.
I mean, we don't pay enough attention
No.
to our national
Also
sport.
I think with a completely giant ensemble cast as well, I think they did a lot of justice giving almost everyone
Yeah.
Yes.
a proper like story, and it wasn't just like, oh, this is just this person's
Yeah.
just there, 2 minutes of their background and then they're gone. Like,
All the girls, they didn't blend into
Yeah,
each other. They had
exactly.
a distinct personality,
Yeah.
a distinct place that they
And
came
a very
from.
different history,
Yeah.
background. Also,
Yeah.
the reasons why they are playing hockey were all different.
Yeah.
Which unified them almost, I
Yeah,
feel.
yeah.
Yeah.
And we clearly all remember them, even though cumulatively, I think each of them must have had 15 minutes of individual.
Yeah.
Maybe not
screen
even
time.
some
Not
of
even.
them.
Actually, yeah, 15 would be quite a
like
lot.
Choi Mui, and
Yeah.
there was one from Chhattisgarh and one from Jharkhand.
Even Molly from Manipur.
Yeah.
Who, by the way, has gone back to Manipur and she doesn't act anymore. But that was the
Wow.
film she did and she bounced.
Wow.
But
What a
all
legacy
very
to
good
have.
actors.
Yeah.
For a legacy.
Some of them are doing really well. Like Vidya is a very, very
Yeah.
successful actor. I think even Vindhya is doing
What
very
happened to
well.
Komal? I wonder what happened.
Komal, you know, I saw her in a reel once.
Really?
Yeah, this comedian was doing something, and like this comedian was at the Habitat performing, and she's like, "Aap Komal ho na?" And she gets up, she's like, "Ah, it's me from Shakti."
I want to see this.
Oh damn! Does she have long hair now?
Like this much.
I really feel like Karima would play a really good Komal.
Oh really?
Yeah.
The one that she gets to.
yeah. I see it.
You know who I also liked? That lady, the lady with Kabir.
Ah,
Miss Krishna.
Miss
she was
Krishna.
kind of sweet,
Very sweet.
Yeah.
She's
and
like
she wasn't
kind
a mother figure.
But
She
like
was
it was
like
like she
a-
was strict with them, but she was also very like loving.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, but
empathetic
not in
and
a
everything. Yeah.
nurturing Indian mother way. She wasn't replacing a woman in the film because Shah Rukh was a man.
yeah.
There was
Exactly.
no need for that role, and
Yeah.
that was very refreshing.
Yeah.
Usually, they try to make it a family structure. These are the kids. The Shah Rukh is the father. She's
Yeah,
the mother.
yeah.
There was no romance in his life.
no.
need for it either.
Yeah, that also I love that there was no romance.
So the
Ooh.
boring.
It was
films
just
would have become
focused
so
on
boring.
the,
You know? Like we'd have
yeah.
to forward through songs.
Yeah.
Like thank God.
Yeah.
Did you guys know Salman Khan rejected this film?
Really?
That's crazy.
Wow.
But thank God.
Yeah, thank
yeah,
God.
I can't imagine anyone else doing this.
I think he also said that he rejected it because he didn't see himself playing this.
Yeah, I see that.
because of and for good reason. I feel Shah Rukh Khan was very convincing in
Yeah.
That empathy
Getting
or
that.
connection that he
Yeah.
gets with each player,
Yeah.
I don't think another person could have done
No,
that.
for sure not. I was watching the movie last night with Shane, and my white husband has started crying at the scene where after they win the final, they put the India flag up, and I looked at Shane, and he's like, and then I looked to his other side, and there's a tear falling on the other side.
Shane was more desi than all of us
Truly.
combined.
Truly.
But that's so nice to
Yeah.
know that.
Yeah.
And
it
also it's
gets that
it
emotion
gets
in
out of
people who are not
anyone.
Indian.
Exactly, out of anyone. You know, like
Yeah.
anyone will feel that emotion.
And I must say, because you know, I don't cry during movies, and you say I'm not emotional, whatever she said,
You're a robot.
Yeah, yeah.
whatever.
I say the same thing.
That
Anyway.
How is she not okay?
Anyway, no, but this film, every time I watch it, in those moments where it's like the Indian flag is going on, or Kabir Khan is bringing his mother into their house, which has
That's the
Gaddar
scene
and
that
all
gets
written on it. Oh my God.
That's the scene that
It's too much.
The ending is profound.
I was tearing up at certain points, but not like properly crying. Like there was like, you know, like your eyes well up or something. Like that's what was happening all the way. But that when it ends with him entering the house and someone's cancelled out
This
traitor and
Sardar kid
Yeah.
cancelling it out.
yeah, and
crying.
and he like has like, you know, it just shows you that he just did this so he could bring his mother back to their home.
Yeah, dude. No,
That's the scene where my welled up tears started like flowing.
And you know, I do think a lot.
Dude, I just feel that scene is so understated.
Yeah, it is.
There are not that many dialogues in that scene. There is
barely.
No
There's
dialogue.
just the walk of him going into it. There's silence. There's him gaining respect back in his
Yeah.
colony,
Yeah.
which is something he valued. And as a sports person, respect from your people, especially
Yeah.
where you come from, is
Yeah.
kind
A
of the
big-
only thing that
yeah.
matters. So
Yeah.
it was very
Yeah.
nice.
And there's like it's just silent, and he just like is happy to see.
He
that
gives the hockey
Yeah,
stick
to
to
the
the
guy.
boy and he
I remember,
runs like
yeah.
that.
Chuck
He
the-
chucks the thing is, they
I just was remembering that hockey scene. It's crazy because I watched the movie after like 11 years, right? But when in that scene where he's giving the hockey stick, I remembered exactly how many times he does this.
oh yeah.
It was 4 times.
Yeah, he does that. I also remember it so distinctly.
Like, why
does
is
he
that
do
so distinct in my
Yeah.
head?
It is actually
Yeah.
that motion
Yeah.
for some reason.
Every part of that movie is
And no,
perfection
but
to me.
what I've been trying to say,
No,
guys,
sorry.
is that mostly this part where it's like, oh, my mother and I got kicked out of our colony and I faced all of these things would come somewhere in the middle of the
Yeah.
movie so that we feel something and then it's like, oh, very dramatically it's shoved onto our faces,
Yeah.
right? They don't do any
No,
of that. We
nothing.
see in the beginning कि उसके साथ बहुत बुरा हुआ है.
Yeah.
And at the very end, we see one or two tanas before that.
Yeah.
At the very end, we see the like how big this thing was in
Yeah.
his life.
Yeah.
And it just nothing needs to be said. He
Yeah.
doesn't have to go there and be like, पता है मेरे साथ क्या हुआ है? मेरे साथ ये हुआ है. And you teammates come sit down and hear my story.
Yeah.
None of that happens.
Yeah.
It's not needed.
He actually never speaks about it until we find out. I mean,
Yeah, we
see-
find out.
yeah.
He doesn't speak about it.
He's not giving a monologue about it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan, whatever people think about him, but his eyes are really like
Kind.
Yeah.
well, they act. Is what I was trying to say.
They act kindly.
They portray the emotion
Yeah, really
without
well.
a doubt.
Yeah.
That's all good actors. They all talk from their eyes.
Yeah, like even in the end when Vidya like saves that final goal and it turns to him and he's just like and like all the team is celebrating and he's just sitting in the corner and he like is like shaking and
Yeah.
struggling to sit down
Yeah.
and he's just like has a really like light smile on his face but his eyes are like welling up and you
Yeah.
can just see how happy he is to like finally achieve it because he also knows what that means for him, like it means he can like get
Live up
respect
to-
back, he can go back home, he can take his mom back, like it means so many things. It's not just oh my team won,
Yeah.
And it's not technically him winning. I mean, of course,
Yeah.
your coach wins because
Yeah.
your team wins
Yeah.
and he's trained you. But he is not playing. He's not
Yeah.
actually getting the medal that
Yeah.
these players are getting. So it's very symbolic as a win, very literally and
yeah,
figuratively.
exactly,
It's the best patriotic film.
for sure.
I just never feel this patriotic about any other film.
Same, even
What
I
are the other films, right? Like Dangal, Mary Kom,
Yeah.
Harippa.
Dil Bole Harap.
Dil Bole.
just heard it pass.
But it's the biggest
Yeah.
like word on
On the poster.
And Harippa.
But
Because she said this before, I thought it was some other film. Oh, I don't know this film.
you corrected me. I don't.
Maybe there is another film called Harippa. I don't know actually. Are
Are
you
you talking about Rani Mukherjee?
where she changes?
Yeah.
It's a Shakespeare adaptation.
Damn, girl. What is up with
Twelfth
Bollywood and
Night.
Shakes? It's
Twelfth Night.
what are you saying?
Yeah, have you watched She's the Man?
Yes.
It's the same.
Oh right. Oh my god. How did I just get? This is the moment I figured.
I love
out.
she's
I love
There's
it.
such a
I love
She also poor thing. She became a drug addict. Amanda.
She also? Yeah, who else?
So many actors.
and she said like I'm like oh I love she's
Also
the man. She's
poor.
like she also poor thing has become a drug addict also.
so many actors.
You like the way you said it sounds like Rani Mukherjee is also.
Rani, I'm sure you're doing really well. I just.
She just won a national award. I'm sure she's doing really
I'm
well.
sure she's.
With Shah Rukh Khan, who is a part of the film that we are discussing right now. Shah Rukh Khan. Let's bring it back, guys.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
What?
Could be circle back to anything.
Yeah, that's true. That is true.
Okay. I feel like we've covered a lot of.
Yeah.
You asking me and I've answered your question actually. about other films like Dangal. Dangal.
Dangal.
Dangal. Dangal. I can never
Dangal.
say it. Anyway, I either say Dangal or no, I either say Dangal or I say Dangal.
Dangal?
Okay. I enjoyed the movie, but it wasn't like I said, I'm not a big sports movie person.
Right.
Yeah.
So like I was like, oh yeah, it's a good movie, like good actors, whatever, meh. And then I saw Mary Com and I was like, yeah, good actors. Meh. But like I feel like all of these other sports movies have the same formula.
Yeah.
Like the formula is so similar. First we see where they come from, then we see them trying to be big, then we see like they have adversity, and then they win.
And Bhag Milka Bhag, for example,
Yeah.
that was also a good film. But the difference, I think, is that it's not a team sport.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't
Yeah.
feel that like we're all going up together. No,
And
this is this one special person.
Yeah. And even with team sports, I feel like in the past, the focus is still there on like one person, you
That's
know?
true.
Like 83, for example,
Yeah.
is a team sport. And
Correct.
it's about like, there were so many other characters in the film, but the main focus was on Ranveer Singh,
Yeah.
as Kapil Dev. But like, I feel like with this, like each of these girls got like justice to
Yeah.
them, and to their character and to their story.
The team was a character, and the
Exactly.
team was being spoken about as a person,
Exactly.
not them as individual
Yeah,
characters.
or like too
And
much
which is the
focus on
point of
one.
the film.
Yeah,
So that's
exactly.
literally what they tried to do.
Yeah.
In the
Sport.
scene. Yeah, like they said that we are not individual people.
Yeah.
We are one.
Yeah.
And even it's Shah Rukh Khan. Of course, the film is about Shah Rukh Khan also, but somehow he's not taking up
He doesn't.
that
No,
limelight.
he doesn't. Yeah.
But it's also not about Shah Rukh Khan at all. I mean, it's not even about
Yeah.
his story.
Yeah,
It's
he
just like-
doesn't. It doesn't like the fact that India's biggest superstar is in first of all such a feminist film and patriotic film.
without song or dance
Exactly.
or glamour.
And
Yeah.
none of that. It doesn't. It still doesn't feel like, oh, this is a Shah Rukh Khan film in that sense. It's like, oh, it's a Shah Rukh Khan and like team
Yeah.
film.
Sitare Zameen Par was kind of similar in the way that there is a coach that changes the lives of all these multiple people. Of course, the difference was the neurodivergence
Yeah.
and where he was doing it and to what extent he was doing it. But that kind of encapsulated the same essence.
Yeah.
But I still much rather watch Chak De India, I feel.
Yeah.
Even though I cried a lot in Sitare Zameen Par and I really loved the film. I don't know if
I
you
haven't
guys
watched
watched
this.
but you will really enjoy it also. I just really liked it. But Chakde just did it in such a, I don't know, even the dialogues were so well written. The music was so
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Like it was really making
And all the
you-
music also has so much feeling in it.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, exactly.
I don't know
That's
the
just-
lyrics if you can't.
It's just so good. These songs, there are 3 songs at least that I
Yeah.
remember of this film, and it's just the most beautiful.
Yeah.
हर मैच में तो दे the Chak De India का anthem song is Aava Waka Waka.
Yeah, literally.
They play it at every sporting event.
No, not even if you don't play it, people will be singing
Yeah,
it, and they'll
yeah.
be in tune singing it.
Yeah.
It's just
Another trivia, guys. Did you guys know the song was rejected some 7-8 times before it actually became what it is today?
but it was
Unimaginable.
meant to be for this song.
was,
It could have been for some other, na.
Yeah.
That's why it was rejected.
Oh, I don't know.
It wouldn't have been Chak De India. It would have been na, 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 something
Oh,
else.
like the composition would have stayed, but
Yeah. So, but it was meant to be. It was meant to be an anthem type song,
correct.
Yeah.
which is good.
Well, I feel like we have covered everything. Alia.
Except
I'm scared.
And thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming, Alia. You're such a nice guest.
Subscribe.
You're-
please, lots.
Yes, thank you.
silence. The last thing I want to say, yeah, it is our show. You're so right. Last thing I want to say is I want everyone to comment down below that they want Alia as a third host or to replace any one of these people. I don't care, but I should be here. And I want you guys to really start a petition, comment, if you need to spam these
Let's cut it.
bitches,
Let's
spam them, start a
Thank
petition and get me as a third host.
thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so
I will
much.
haunt
Lots of
everyone.
love. Thank you, Alia, for your lovely input.
Thank you so much. You're such a nice guest.
you.